Today's Saturday. I'm going to head out to Park Gazi Baba on the north end of town. It's going to be quite a walk to get there, but today is absolutely a spectacular day. I'll show you what it looks like outside. And it's about 7 degrees Celsius for a high today. No wind, no rain, few clouds in the sky, but absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's go for a walk. Okay. Beautiful winter day. Crossing the Vardar now. There's the Plaza Virgin Mary right there. Macedonia Street is over there to the west. Beautiful day. It's a statue for the Austrian-Hungary war for independence. This is like the university, or a big university. I think there's a few in the city. It looks like a big mall. Big mall over here across the street. Very busy intersection. So there's like an older part of the city over here. You can see the minaret. So I'm going to be heading kind of that way. See if I can find the entrance to the park. Yeah, over here is another green market. They're all over the city. Government run. The guy keeps staring at me. The really congested part of the city. I love that coffee. Oh, call to prayer. Beautiful old mosque. Yeah, very historic. The clock tower I want to go check out at some point, maybe on the way back. Pretty cool. All the cool honey. Okay, clock tower's up this way. Well, I'm shooting into the sun, but that's the clock tower. Let's see if I get closer. Wow, that's you can tell this is an old wall, old walkway. Cool old house. You can see how they did the rafters. Interesting. Okay, that's the clock tower. Historic. I gotta get a selfie. It's gonna be hard, it's a very tall clock. Okay, off we go. See if we can find the park. Notice the cat just chilling in the sun in the roof rafters. That's what I noticed about mostly Turkey, but here also there's lots of cats. Far more than you see in the US. If you're a cat person. Love this old building here. That's so cool. Very old. Oh, this guy wants to back up. I'd love to buy something like that and just totally fix it up. Okay, so the park should be a little bit this way, maybe about 200 meters. Let's see if we can find it. Okay, this is the hill. The Park Gazi Baba, or whatever, is going back this way. This is the part of it. And there's these bunkers, once again, just like in the fortress Skopje. There's these entrances to really long, the one over there you can kind of see down it. So it must be like an old fort or something, army base underneath this park. Yeah, it's like every 20 yards. Interesting. If anyone knows, can you write in the comments what it might be? Okay, yeah, so it's kind of like a, I don't know if that's a restaurant or whatever. There's this road that kind of goes into the park, so I guess we could go up this way. But I think the park mostly goes in that direction, so I'm gonna kind of guess. I think there must be obviously something on top of this hill, like maybe a fort or radio station or something. And I cannot read any of this, so like I said, I'm guessing it's this way. Let's check it out. Actually decided not to take that road because it looks like it dead ends on Google Maps. So I'm gonna take this route. And this almost looks like a park sign up here. I saw some people riding their bikes down this way. Oh yeah, it must be some kind of observation vista up top. Okay, no cars, no fires, and no dumping trash. Okay, I don't think I'll be doing any of those today. Okay, first attempt was a fail. I think the entrance is actually on the north side of the park. I've kind of wandered down these on the side right here, and I talked to some people who spoke almost no English, and they're saying to get into the park I have to go back the way I just came, which doesn't have an entrance that I can see. I think you might have to go all the way around, but I did notice there's a road up there, and that on Google Maps is inside the park, and there's this dirt cut, so I'm going to walk up there and see if I don't get in trouble and can find the park that way. My goal is to walk from the south end to the north end through the park and then walk back along the city on my way back into town. So let's see if I can get in without getting in trouble. Okay, I'm still huffing and puffing. You can get into the park this way, it looks like. And this is the south end of the trail. Yeah, so I made it. Here's the park. Gazi Baba. Or this isn't Gazi Baba, and it's something else. There's a lot of people here. No, this is it. So as you can see, it's a really big, massive park. And I think we're right here. And we're gonna walk in and up and come out the north end. At least that's the goal. Check my trusty Google Maps. Yep. Wow. Open air gyms, play area. Hello. Nice picnic area. Wow. They should have a disc golf course here. That would be awesome. Okay, let's wander a little bit. Wow, gorgeous park. Cool fountain. Oh, it's this way. Yeah, open air gym. It's nice path. This would be a beautiful running path if you're in a cross country or trail running. Cool. Hello. Hello. Nice fountain. I don't think this is the way. They have these green markers kind of leading the way, so you know you're on the trail. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm off the trail. Now I'm going the wrong way. I actually need to go back. There's an intersection I missed. Let's see if I can find it. Trail. But there's this unofficial trail, because this is like the thin point between the two. So obviously people have made the same mistake as me. So now I gotta go up this muddy trail, get back on the main one. See if I could not fall, slip and fall in here. It's slick. Yeah, it's muddy. Okay, back on the trail. Yeah, it kind of fooled me because this trail is, as you can see, is more just grass. Unless this is the trail. Let's see. Well, I don't think it's that one. I still think it's this one here. A little less traveled. Oh no, I think that one would have went there too. So I could have went up or this way. They both go to the same spot. Let's see what's down here. I already went down that way. Mistake. Should have went this way. That's one thing about GPS. It's never very accurate. Beautiful park. This northern part has almost, I've seen nobody. I mean, there's trails, bikes and dogs. But if you want some solitude, beautiful day, even on a busy weekend, try the north end of the park. There's almost nobody here. I haven't seen anyone. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. As I'm wandering here, I'm getting closer to the suburbs. And look what I found here. Looks like beehives. They put these old mattresses to make a fence for their private property. But beekeeper, a big amount of beehives. You can kind of see them through the trees. They're all back in here. A whole bunch over here too. Must be at least maybe close to 50 of them, or 60. Kind of cool. Great place to have bees with all the foliage around here next to the park. Okay, looks like there's a road up here. Well, it's not a road. Big open space. Look at that church. Wow. That is very,
I've never seen a church like that before. That's pretty cool. There's trails. There are a couple of them branching off from here. Yeah, pretty cool. Wow. It's really windy up here because we're on top of the bluff. You know, but you got this big right here at the north end of the park entrance next to the Orthodox church, which looks like it's under construction or being repaired or something. But look at the view from here. Wow. I'd love to travel up into some of these small little villages up here. And that's the view that I have out my windows of those mountains. That's the way to Kosovo, I believe, is through that pass. Gorgeous. Okay, this is like a road on the north end. Should lead to the main north gate. Let's go check it out and see what's there. Okay, this is a windy road. Cobblestone kind of just goes up into the park. This is going to be the end of the video. This is definitely a park worth coming and visiting. I guess I'll catch you next time. So hope to join me next time for another walk. Catch you later. Oh, and if there's anything I find interesting, I'll add it to the end of the video. Hello. Hello. Cool kids. Interesting, the road turned into this very narrow path going down the hillside. So if you're coming up through the north end, you might have to, this is what you're looking for. Let's see where it empties out onto the street. Hey guys, just chilling on the roof. Yeah, so it just empties out right here on this street. Just main drag is right there. Look. Look at yeah, it's just like a little side alley. It's kind of weird. So the Para ceramic and porcelain, that's right where you go up. Okay, now for the long walk back. Cool. And those look like Roman era ruins. Yeah, cool. It's like inside the school itself. Pretty cool. Found this big white building. It's like a wet market. Let's go in and check it out all the way through.
Ima jedna prodavnica.
That's huge. Get your music CDs. That's a pretty big market. Don't know what it's called. If you know, you can put it in the comments.
Oi, Simri!
Cool Adidas.
Als je gewoon mee naar het aquarium.
Ah. That's a pretty cool. Oh, this is the corner of the old bazaar. So the fortress is up over here. Cool. Well, let's head back into town.